In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit cell value entry in Excel. Whether you're managing inventory, creating forms, or want to prevent errors, this tutorial will guide you through all the steps to restrict what can be entered into specific cells. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have a table with 2 columns. To limit cell value entry, first pick your data by selecting that 8 rows. Then go to the menu at the top and choose Data. From there, select Data Validation. You can pick any type of value, but for now, let's choose whole number option. Now, set the minimum value to 1 and the maximum to 10 to fit into the first row numbers range. Now, let's do data validation for the date column. Again, select Data Validation. And this time, choose Date option and set the date range between, let's say, the 1st September and 5th September 2023. Now let's try it. Begin by entering a number like 6 in the first column. That works perfectly. However, if we mistakenly try to enter a value like 28, we should get a message telling us it's not allowed. The message simply says, the value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Just click Cancel to exit. Now let's try data column. Begin by entering a date like 2nd September 2023. Also works perfectly. But if we enter date like 15th September 2023, we should get the same message as before with number which wasn't allowed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to limit cell value entry in Excel, giving you more control over your data and reducing the risk of errors. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.